everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you see, I'm fitting a kitchen. I've already fit the base units, so I'm gonna show you how to fit the wall units, how to hang it onto the wall. The base units are already in place, and on this side I've got two tall cabinets, and because I've got these tall units here, so the height of wall units, basically the top when I should hang it, should be the same as this tall unit. So I mark the lines, as you see, all around. You see the cable, this one is for the extractor fan, and there's vertical lines, one here, so that's the space I need to leave, so the units will start from here and from here. So that's one of the wall units. As you see, it's got hanging brackets inside already. And the hanging bracket, this block has got two screws, they are for adjustment. So the top one, when you hang the cabinet onto the wall, so you can move it up and down. The bottom one is for forward and backwards. So when you hang it, you can tighten it flat against the wall by screwing it this way. That's how it looks at the back, and also you need this bracket to hang it onto the wall. So it should go like this. So the good practice is to make drawing onto the wall, so then you've got where everything goes and there's no mistakes. So first we need to hang this bracket. We're gonna use row plugs and a screw. This one is 5 by 45 millimeters, so should be enough for wall units. So first we need to measure where to mark it on the wall. So let's put how it should be and then measure from the top to the middle of the hole, 65 millimeters. And also we need to consider this board that is actually here 16 millimeters. So to show you better what I draw on the wall, I just make a small drawing on a piece of paper. So basically here's the worktop. I've got 4 cabinets on this wall, 60, 45, 45 and 60. This is the side of the cupboards, and this is the height of the cupboards, this line. Then I lower this line 6.5 centimeters, so that's the line when the bracket should start. See, that's the bracket. I just mark the 2 holes by placing the bracket in here, in this position. But before I've done this, I marked also the side of the cupboards, the thickness of the wall. In my case is 16 millimeters, so you have to deduct this from the starting point, as the bracket is placed next to it. And so I've got 16 here. Here are 2 walls from 2 cupboards, this one and this one, so it's 32 mil, and at the end 16 obviously as well. So I'm pretty sure if you draw this on your wall, so this will help you to hang the wall units. Obviously none of them will be visible because it will be behind the units. So before you hang the wall unit, you see this bracket at the back has to be flush with this panel, as the wall will be against this panel. So what you need to do, inside the cupboard there is the bracket, and you need to lose these screws. I mean one of them, and then look what happened when I'm losing this screw. So we've got everything ready, so let's hang the first unit. And you see, it's exactly how I want it. See these lines, the drawing? So the top screw allows us to adjust the cupboard higher or lower. So now, before fastening to the wall, let's bond these two cupboards together. We've got 4 cabinets fitted, so let's fit some doors and side panels as well. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.